Hi my loves, welcome to my YouTube channel. On today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to make YouTube thumbnail using Capcut. So now I'm going to import an image that I saved from Google. So what I will do now is to click on New Project and look for the image that I saved from Google. Click on the image, click on Add. Once it loads, another thing you're going to do is to click on ratio, this one. Right now we are going to click on 16.9 and that is the standard YouTube channel size. So let's click on it like this and mark good to take effect. So right now we are going to drag it so that it can fit the entire canvas. Click on the image, then drag the image here to fit the entire canvas like this. Okay, so after doing that, I will go on further to overlay and overlay the photo I want to use for this thumbnail. Click on overlay, add overlay, then I will look for the photo I want to use for this thumbnail. Right now we are going to select the picture we want, select, then click on add. So this background now that my picture has, so what I will do now is to go to remove background and remove this background. Go back, click on the image, let's look for cutout. Okay, this place now is cutout. Click on this cutout. You will see remove background, customized cutout, chroma key. So right now we are going to click on remove background because that is what we want to do. Click on remove background. So right now the background of this image is no longer there. Once you notice there are some remains of the background on your image, what you do is to go back to remove background and remove that remain. What you do is to click on customize cutout like this, then reduce the brush size. Okay, then click on wipe. Carefully remove the remains. After you are done with cutout, what you do is to drag the image like this, drag the image and position it to the place you want it to be. I'm going to zoom it. Okay, with that done, I will go on and add another overlay, but it's going to be a Capcut PNG I downloaded from Google. I will go ahead and overlay. Let's look for it. Click on the image and add. So right now I'm going to drag it to the corner I want it to be. I will shrink it a little and drag it to the corner I want it to be. Okay, right now the next thing I'm going to do is to add text. Go to text, go to add text, Right now I'm going to type in my desired text. Type in your desired text. Let me use the board one. So right now I'm going to change the font of this text. I don't want it to be in system, so I'm going to change the font. Choose any font of your choice. Okay, let me click on this one. Click on this one. Then after that I will go to style. Okay, click on style. Choose any style of your choice. I don't want this style. Okay, you can play with it. Choose any background of your choice. Okay, and move it to this place. Let me shrink it so that it will not be too bold. Okay, I will do the same for the next text that I'm going to add on this thumbnail. Going to copy this, copy it like this, and delete the one that is there. So right now I'm going to type in my text again. Tutorial. You can equally change the background. You can increase the size. Okay, you can increase the size of the text like this so that it can be very visible. Let me change the color and the background of this text. Change it to black, then go to background, change the background to white. So this is it. Press good or done. Place it properly. Please do not overflood your thumbnail with text and photos. Okay, make sure that they are short, simple, and straight to the point. Right now I'm going to adjust the Capcut logo. Let me adjust it to be at the center. It is now at the center. Okay, so now we move over to color grading. To do that, we will move to filter, click on filter, go to adjust and look for HSL. Okay, click on HSL. So this is to add more color to what we have designed. That's to make the color pop more. This HSL only works for the colors that are in the project. Go to saturation. So after doing that, I'm going to click on upload. Then click on save to device. Then after that, click on done. Once it's done, I'm going to go to my gallery and screenshot it. And after that, I'm going to crop it. Going to crop it this way. And save.